wanted to say some things this morning that I know from time to time many of you think, but may not say. Parents, get your act together. Get it together. Get it together right now. You need to get hold of your kids before we have to. Parents who neglect their children, who don't know where they are, don't know what they're doing, don't know who they're hanging out with, you're going to find yourself spending some quality time with your kids in jail together. Together. Father has to provide instruction to a young boy on how to become a good man. A good man. The father also has to be a good role model to help a young girl be a strong woman. Now let me just say this. If you're not doing those things, if you're just hanging out there, maybe you're sending a check or bringing some cash by, that's not being a father. You're just a human ATM. You're just an ATM. And if you're not providing the guidance and you're not sending any money, you're just a sperm donor. You're just a sperm donor. That's part of the problem in our community. Let me speak plain. That's part of the problem in the black community. And many other communities. But a particular problem in the black communities, we have too many men making too many babies that they don't want to take care of, and then we end up dealing with your children. We're not running a big babysitting service. We're running a big government and a great city. Take care of your children. Stop acting like idiots and fools out in the streets of the city of Philadelphia. Just cut it out. And another thing. Take those doggone hoodies down, especially in the summer. Pull your pants up and buy a belt. Because no one wants to see your underwear or the back of your butt. Nobody. Buy a belt. Learn some manners. Keep your butt in school. Graduate from high school. Go on to college so you can go and make something of yourself and be a good citizen here in this city. And why don't you work on extending your English vocabulary? Extend your English vocabulary beyond a few curse words that you know, some other grunts and grumbles and other things that none of us can understand what you're saying. And if you go to look for a job, don't go blame it on the white folks or anybody else. If you walk in somebody's office with your hair uncombed and the pick in the back and your shoes untied and your pants half down, tattoos up and down your arm, on your face, on your neck, and you wonder why somebody won't hire you, they don't hire you because you look like you're crazy. So, you do those things and act like you got some sense, you'd be surprised what opportunities will open up to you. That's what was on my mind. That's all I got to say.